Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is the temperature in Chicago was 15 degrees Celsius in the morning, which dropped at 7 degrees Celsius in the evening. Find the temperature difference. Here we have given the temperature in the morning is 15 degrees Celsius and the temperature in the evening is 7 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference will be 15 degrees Celsius minus 7 degrees Celsius, that is 8 degrees Celsius.